Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. My kittens love this super comfy cat bed. It is so soft and fluffy. The colors, I just love. They're like a sorbet rainbow color, and they just love getting in it and taking naps. The edges are a little bit higher than the insides. They really feel cozy when they get inside it. It has an anti-slip bottom if you have hardwood or tile. It's about 24 inches wide, and the little kittens both fit in it nicely and love to cuddle. My older kittens love it as well. And it's not just for kittens. It could be for a small dog as well. And the beauty is that it's machine washable. This cat bed is a go-to for my kittens. They love to take their naps in it, and they love to just cuddle up and feel cozy. And that's my point of view.